Hello guys, this is your boy Tuna from California. I am at Seafood City supermarket
394, ready for pickup.
in Carson City, California. And today I'm gonna make a video on Filipino stocks from the Philippines. This is Oishi prawn crackers. These are made in the Philippines. I will show you on the back. I guess I need to adjust the camera. As you can see, it says on the back of the plastic bag, it says product of the Philippines. So this is made in the Philippines. Now we're gonna go with the next one. This is Kippy. This is Kippy. It's a snack from the Philippines. Again, I grew up with this snack. I grew up in the Philippines as a little boy. I moved to California when I was 19 years old. No, not that. Not 19 years old. I moved to California when I was 17 years old. On the back of this plastic bag, it says product of the Philippines. As you can see on the camera. This thing got a lot of carbohydrates. I don't eat this anymore, but I used to eat this in the Philippines when I was a little boy. It says Kippy. Okay, we're gonna go with the next one. This is boy bawang. It says on the plastic bag, boy bawang. Boy bawang cornic. This is basically a fried. These are fried corns that are made in the Philippines. Boy bawang cornic. Adobo flavor. This is very popular in the Philippines too. And it's gonna say on the back of the plastic bag. I think you cannot see. I think you guys cannot see it, but I'm trying to adjust the camera. I'm trying to adjust the camera so you guys can see it. This is the back. This is the back of the plastic bag. Says Caloocan City, product of the Philippines. So I'm gonna go with the next one.
Ready for pickup. 395, 399.
These chips I'm not gonna buy. I'm just recording. I'm gonna record this snacks from the Philippines. I'm not gonna buy it because it's too much carbohydrates. I don't wanna gain too much weight. I'm sorry, there's a lot of people shopping over here. This is open till 9 o'clock at night. Okay, we're gonna go with the next one. This is Nagaraya. These are basically peanuts, coated peanuts. Once again, I'm gonna try to adjust the camera. I think the camera is blurry. As you can see on the back of this plastic bag, it says "Made in the Philippines." Made in the Philippines by Food Industries Incorporated, Makati, Metro Manila, Philippines. We're gonna go with the last one. These are cheese curls. It says cheese curls. This is another snack from the Philippines. There's music. They're playing music in this supermarket, so I don't know. if I'm gonna get CPR. I'm just trying to see if I get a CPR. Playing Aegis this store. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Ang halik mo. There's an Aegis song playing on the speaker inside this supermarket. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to not to move my hand too much. It says product of the Philippines. Okay, so that's gonna be my video. This is your boy Tuna from California. Thank you for watching my videos. See you on my next video. Bye bye guys.